Wait. Alright, that's Nick. Kyle's jumping in. I'm Jake, cameraman. He's gonna jump over that fence. That's about 5 feet, 7 feet. Jump. Here he goes. Sorry, it's a bad camera. Oh! He did it! He did it! He jumped around the shed. Down there. The shed's 15 feet tall right there. Jumped over the 3-foot fence into the yard. And now I have to put this away because my eyes are killing in storm. What do you have to say?
That was freaking awesome, dude.
Alright guys, this is the second video of 3. Nick's jump, he's not jumping over the fence, he's jumping right there. Pretty short jump, but hey, it's pretty high.
Cannonball.
Oh, a cannonball? Nice, hurry up. Battery's dying, my hands are freezing. This is Blizzard Nemo, butt munch. Jump!
Oh.
That's got to sting.
Yeah,
This is Jacob Nano doing the long jump. Belly, you should probably move.
No, just over there.
Oh, over here?
Yeah.
Alright, ready? On your mark.
Recording?
Yeah, go.
Alright, ready?
Oh, it's sunrise.
Oh.